Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to install WordPress on SiteGround. First, go to siteground.com, click on Login, fill in your login credentials and hit Login. Now, click on Websites from the top menu, and next to your website, click on Site Tool. Now go to WordPress from this left sidebar, click on Install and Manage. Below WordPress, click on Select, and now select your domain from here. If you have multiple domains, select your WordPress language. You can select from a long list. I will go with English. Here you can select your installation path. If you want to install your WordPress in a subfolder, for example, yourdomain.com/blog. In my case, I will install it in the main folder, which is just benstutorial.com. No /blog or something like that. Below username, fill in your administration username. For example, I will go with Ben, and here fill in your password. Then finish with your email address here. You can install add-ons like the WordPress starter. Install your new WordPress with the starter for quick setup and selection of themes and tools to kickstart your WordPress. Personally, I don't prefer going with the personalized things because I already know what to do or what I want. So after that, click on this install button. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you see, your request is being proceeded, so just wait. WordPress is installed on my domain successfully. Click on View Site to open your new WordPress site in a new browser tab. Or click on this admin panel to automatically log in to your new WordPress dashboard. How to log in again to your WordPress dashboard without using this button? Simply write your domain name, then add /wp-admin. Hit enter. I will log out. As we've said, wp/admin, and here fill in the username and the password you've filled in while you was installing your WordPress. In my case, it's Ben, and my password is this one. Click on login, and just like that, you are logged to your new WordPress website. The first thing that you can do is to install a new theme. You can go to Appearance, click on Add Theme, and select one of these themes from this very long list of themes. Just click on this install button and it will be installed. And if you want to have more features on your WordPress website, you can go to this plugins page. These are the current plugins that I'm using. Click on add plugin and start installing plugins from this list. For example, this is SiteKit by Google. For example, this plugin is official from Google and it lets you easily connect your new WordPress website with Google services like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google AdSense, and also I think Speed. I'm not sure what this speed means. You can also install many plugins from this list. Just go, for example, to this popular tab, and you can, for example, this is a contact form plugin. This is an SEO plugin. This is a speed. This is a plugin that makes your WordPress load faster, and so on. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.